Hi guys! So today I decided to vlog myself again. So welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to vlog and record my life recently. So hope you enjoy it. Okay, so here I'm just doing my makeup because I'm about to go to work. So yeah. Wearing my uniform sa pangbaba because we're not allowed to wear our uniform sa pangtaas while going to our work. So, pagdating na sa work, dun pa lang kami magpapalit. So, yan. Perfume muna. Okay, so here, nandito na ako sa work, which is sa McDo. And yan, nakapagpalit na ako ng damit. This was the time na we're still having our kiddie crew workshop. So, ako yung naka-station ngayon to teach the batch. I'm not sure what batch it is. Right here, I'm just fixing the things I used while having the workshop kasi tapos na siya. So, yeah. Nilinis ko lang din yung place kasi syempre kumain din yung 2 kids na tinuruan ko. They're just 2. So, yun. And I was getting something here sa office kaya ako nandito. Tapos sabi ko, film kaya ako. Okay, this is me changing my clothes again because I'm going home na. But actually, this is another clip. Pero, ito naman yung lagi kong ginagawa everyday pag pumapasok ako sa work. So, yeah. Ayan, ganda-gandahan lang kasi fresh pa din kahit out na. And of course, hindi mawawala ang kain. So, our mom treated us here to eat some ramen and some Korean foods. Hi guys! So today I just got home and sakto pag uwi ko dumating na rin lahat ng in-order ko. Kung ano-ano lang naman to guys, pero more on gamit siya sa face. Mga nabubudo lang sa TikTok ganon and mga affordable lang din na skincare. So come with me and unbox this. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, let's go and unbox it. Okay, so first, pinakamaliit. Oh, wait. Oh my god. Ito ata yung... I bought pimple patch. Ayan. It's 240 pieces. Nagdadalawang isip pa ako kung bibilin ko ba to or hindi. Bumili ako dati, pero yung binili ko kasi before, hindi ko alam kung totoo. Kasi parang peke siya, hindi siya stretchy. Ang bilis niya rin matanggal sa mukha. So, sana ito okay. Sana effective. And hindi siya plastic. So, 240 pieces siya. Try ko lang naman. First time ko pa lang siya itatry. Next, this. Let's open. Oh, parang alam ko na to. Ang bilis lang yung dumating. Literal na 3 days. Dumating na agad siya. Okay, bumili ako ng serum, guys. Kasi, isa sa mga problem ko sa mukha ko is sunod-sunod akong nagkaka-pimples, lalo na kapag meron na ako. So, nag-search ako sa TikTok store kung ano ba yung product na nakakatanggal ng mga pimple marks. And ito. Yan. Kasi ito, hindi ko na ipapakita yung brand or whatever. Pero ito siya, serum siya na nakakatanggal ng dark spots. So, yep. Yay! Okay. Pangatlo, ito alam ko na din to. Kung hindi niyo po yun ay tinatanong, yung pinaka-main skincare ko is Rejuve. Nag-Rejuve po talaga ako. And marami na akong Rejuve na na-try. At ngayon, pangalawang order ko na to ng Rejuve ni Sash na. Ayan. Reset Rejuvenating Facial Set. So, ayan guys. Ito po ang aking skincare every night. Kasi, nagtry ako ng medyo mamahaling set. Kaso, feel ko hindi talaga siya nag-workout sa mukha ko. Hindi ko na sabihin kung anong brand. Pero yun, hindi kasi siya nag-workout sa mukha ko. Tapos parang, nung paubos na yung set na binili ko na yun, hindi siya rejuvenating. Bigla pa rin ako nagkaka-pimple. So sabi ko, hindi ito effective. I think it's not worth it for me to buy another kasi it's kind of expensive. So this is the last package. Kaya, nag-start kasi ako mag-skincare ng rejuvenating. Kaya, yun. Yun na yung Yun na yung parang naging hiyang sa mukha ko. Though, hindi ko masasabi na perfect talaga siya, nakakatanggal or nakakakinis ng mukha. But, yeah. And maganda din yung rejuvenating ni Ate Sash na kasi very mild and literal na micro-peeling talaga siya. So, the last one I bought, nakita ko lang to sa TikTok randomly. And gusto ko lang, ano yun, trip ko lang, bilhin. So, ito, it's a, collagen night wrapping mask. Ito yung parang mask na ilalagay mo sa mukha mo. Tapos, pagising mo, ipipil mo na siya. Na yung satisfying tingnan, ganun. So, yeah, ito siya. Ito na rin ipapakita sa inyo. Wala naman kayong pakialam. Tapos, may kasama na siyang ganito. May kasama na siyang pang-apply. So, yep. This one, ayan. Hindi ko na ipapakita, pero ito siya, guys. Ito, I think, hindi naman siya para sa pimples ko kasi gusto ko lang naman talaga mawala yung pimples ko. Pero I think, maganda ang collagen sa mukha. Nakaka-moisturize, nakaka-brighten ng skin. So, syempre, dagdag glow lang I bought. And I'm happy na lahat ng order ko is dumating ng sabay-sabay. So, yeah, that's all for my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching this part of the video. Okay, going back to voice recording. So today I'm just doing my homework. It was the next day and I have no work, but I have school. So, yep. Okay, so fast forward, we are here at the World Trade because of our Kiddie Cruise graduation. So we were the one who was chosen to be here, and I'm very thankful because I got to experience this grand graduation. So yeah, just watch some of the clips I recorded kung ano yung mga ginawa namin. So ayan, we draw during break time. So yeah. Okay, so this part is yung pinaka-show na ng graduation, which is nandito po si Ronald McDonald. So, we saw Ronald McDonald here. So, yeah, that's the end. Again, fast forward, of course, this is the clips of course, dates with my love. Syempre. And here naman, syempre, workout. Nilibre kasi ako ni mommy, so why not? Took the opportunity to work out. It was so refreshing and I was so happy that I'm able to go to gym and work out and shake all the stress that I have inside me. So yeah. Okay, syempre here, work ulit, work. Yan, medyo early ako dumating kasi it was raining. So sabi ko, punta na lang ako early para hindi ako abutan ng ulan. So yan. Kaya I'm taking my time to prepare and to fix myself before the start of my duty. So just enjoy watching me doing whatever. Okay, fast forward. So today's the next day. I have no work, but I have school. And look at this. Hindi ko na po alam kung ano isusagot ko. And fast forward again. This was me during face-to-face classes. And then after that day, I also go to my boyfriend's house. And look at this big cute bag. It has a blue design. So I really love it. Thank you to my boyfriend's mom who gave this to me. So yeah, thank you so much. And this is the both of us watching Squid Game. We already finished it. I'm not gonna say anything about it. Okay. Hi guys! So that's the end of our video. I hope that you enjoyed kahit ng mga short clips lang yung mga na-add ko dito sa video nito. But thank you still for watching until the end. So yeah, by the way guys, I'm posting videos and recording myself so that I can watch myself in the future din. Syempre for memories, ganyan. Share ko na lang din kung sino man yung mga gustong manood, of course. Thank you guys so much.